for the first 5 or 6 years of my freelance journey. I was afraid. I was afraid to come out of my comfort zone. I didn't believe myself that much. Kasi sabi ko, wala naman akong, again, proper education. I've been a VA for 5, 6 years, pero iba-iba yung naging clients ko. So, hindi siya same niche, hindi siya same task. So, I would always ask myself, kaya ko ba talaga? But then, kaya ko pala. Right? So it wouldn't be easy, no? It wouldn't be pagpasok mo dun successful ka na agad. No, sobrang hirap niya. But then again, kapag nandun ka na, di ba, kapag nag-start ka na, dire-diretso ka na kasi. So I would say Monday Buddies will be our greatest accomplishment. Kasi hanggang ngayon, I'm still stuck with, being afraid of showing up. Kasi maraming mga namumuna, especially people that sometimes you might know of, minsan pa nga kamag-anak, 'di ba, or
Mm.
kapamilya.